Evening and welcome back to another Citroen video, my 2008 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. And in this video we're going to be replacing the strut top mounts. So, after the Euro car parts issue, I just ended up getting genuine parts from a Citroen dealer. So there's the top mounts here. I think this is the bit that's gone on mine. And I don't think I'm going to be needing these. I think this is part of the bearing, so we'll just see how we go with that. So I'll get one that struts off. We'll see what it's like. I'll do that all off camera, you don't need to see that. So, cut to you when I've done that. I've got the old strut top assembly off. Sorry I didn't show that on camera. We've got the top mount. And that's the bearing carrier. So, on close inspection, it looks like this rubber bit, it should come off. So carefully prise it off. I don't want to damage this. So I don't think this new one comes with a rubber part. No, it's just the metal. And all this has seen better days anyway. Done about 40,000 miles, so just carefully prise this rubber off. Should be able to reuse it. So I think it should come off. If I'm careful, I can get it off and reuse it. The new one doesn't look like it's... Yeah. I think I need to carefully remove this. Just don't want to do any damage. Bit of a penetrating fluid might help free it off. So I don't want to end up tearing this rubber because I'm stuck. Ah, there we go. It's a bit of careful prying, it comes off. Gently pry it off, there we go, and it's off. So that's, I'll just quickly open this one. And there's our new part. And being a genuine part, it should be literally plug and play. Now that looks different, but we go with that. No, maybe not. Oh. So I'm not so sure if this is the right part after all. So I think this will have to go back. It's not right. So it's a return that to the dealer. This part should definitely be correct. have a look. Ah yes, looks like I was wrong. I've just penny just dropped. That goes in there like so. So yep, that's all good. So there we go. Thought we were wrong part. Need to take this off, but we'll just put this back on anyway. Didn't need to pry that off. And this part's actually all right. So I dismantle this for nothing, but never mind. So yep, that's good. So it's just a matter of transferring this bearing over. Probably put a bit of grease in it. Yeah, I'll give it some grease. Probably lithium grease would be best for this. Smear of grease around there, and a bit around here as well. And flip this over. Yep, and yep, we should be good. So I'll put this back on, then I'll put it all back together and work on the other side. So I've got them off, it's even in worse shape. When you compare it to the new one, I just open these. Well, there's a new one, so no wonder it was rattling. It moved around like nobody's business. So just get this out. And that pops in there like so. Easy when you know how. So just take this bearing out. And no, that can stay in there. And this should pop. So look, I think that was the old one. Let's have a look, so we need to get this out. There we go. That pulls straight out, and it should just fit straight in, pretty much. Yep. So that's ready to go back on. Right, now something I'd like to point out. I didn't actually notice, and till I come to do other side, is this. It's still got part of the. This has still got part of the bearing assembly on it, so I'll need to get that off, and that's why it wasn't fitting right. So there's a bit there. I'll just move it to a better place and see if I can get this off. Okay, so I've got this in the vise, so let's give it some welly with hammer. Like I said, I've no idea if this is going to work or not. I'm beginning to see some movement. Maybe a slightly smaller screwdriver would help. So, there we go. See, that's the offending piece. It's actually part of the bearing. So that's I'd already done side, and I'd already done left hand side. That's when I spotted it. But I'd already done driver's side, so I had to take it all off again. So there we go. And there we go, that's a much better fit. So put it all back together and then job's done. So that's it for this particular video. It's as good as new now. I did test it, you move steering from left to right and back and a few times, and no nasty noises. So all sorted. Hope you enjoyed this video. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for notifications. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.